Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, How I Play 25 or 6-4 by Chicago on bass guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G, and we'll start with the main riff that is played this way. I'm on the E string, and I'm starting at fret 5, playing an A note 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fret 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fret 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fret 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, then open 1, 2, 3, 4. That riff will be repeated throughout the tune. Next is the chorus. When we go to the chorus, we'll go to F here at the first fret, and we'll play this. That's. Then we'll go to C at the 3rd fret on the A string. To G on the 3rd fret on the E string. Then back to fret 1, F, and we'll play this. Here's the entire thing. Then back into the tune. There's a slight variation in the riff at the ending, and we'll play that this way. So we started at fret 5, a D note on the A string. Fret 3. We'll slow it down at fret 2, and we'll go fret 1, and then open. And that's the end. Once again, slow it down. Alright, my friends, that's how I play 25 or 6-4 by Chicago on bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.